Raise the radar.
Oh, I'm sorry. You stay there and I will go around and see what's happening at sea.
If it is given full broadside. The citadel on the Talon. Okay guys, you see that was fantastic. Let's focus the Talon when you see him again.
Attention, reporting the target position.
Radars.
Me too.
Engine boost activated.
You don't need to push, just defend.
Be patient guys, we got this. Yeah.
I got the flank on the turbo. Sitting.
He'll come soon, yes. What the bloody hell? They're waiting for the turbines to get close.
The ship is on fire! Problem solved, sir!
Okay guys, I'm gonna push down the corner, see if we can take a ship.
Don't fire at your allies.
Machines. Okay, careful on that one, fast speed guys, she's coming round.
Ian, we can push for sea and own that Talon. Doesn't have much health left. Have a radar ready?
Affirmative.
Oh, in 20 seconds. She's out of range, so I'm not detected. He's running.
Engine boost deactivated.
Son of a bitch. That turbines guys should be able to take it, I think. Well done, Squid. Well done, guys.
That's how it's done.
It has been a long time since I've had an evening like this with winning, winning, winning.
That's good, you see. I actually call you elite players, you know, really good. When you get together and you get on that winning streak, it feels good as well.
Yep, it's fun.
I think that the best winning streak I had when I was in RMPDD, believe it or not, we had an 11 win streak. That was one of the best runs we had.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah, it was absolutely.
Half the time we do that, don't we? We get like 8, 9 wins and 1 or 2 losses. The other half we fail badly.
This is just going a bit serious, this now, isn't it? I don't know what that Talon's doing. Oh, both Talons, I should say. The Talon on A is pretty weak, but the Talon on C, I'm not sure. This isn't over yet, guys. Or maybe it is. yeah, that Talon got it. I think both the Talons are really damaged. That's it, well,
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
It's all on your head, Ian.
so what?
All on you.
Oh, what the fuck happened? I'm alone.
Sorry.
Yeah, I wanted to survive, but the other guy didn't, and so we had a disagreement about that, and well, we both won because he died and I died, and we two died.
Ah, nice.
You gotta get this and turn away. Run. So he doesn't see you. For 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Our victory is in sight.
Gonna want to line 10 and hide 10G. Sure, go there.
Yeah, just hug this island.
I think you'd probably come up after the second. I think he's possibly lower health than yourself, but then again, he may have healed.
Oh yes, good gun, so I'm gonna hide.
Even if he goes for B and captures it, it should be no problem. But 1 minute,
I should win on
30
time.
seconds. Yeah.
And then I can jump to B. I can teleport.
So it's funny, someone on your ship decided, well, the nose needs to be breathing fire and it needs to be cutting through water, which is both useless.
And looks like
45 seconds. Do you have any radar or anything left?
yeah, I have was a lot.
I'll just pop some and see where it is.
Well, I can see when it caps.
That's what he gets for nothing.
Pop your radar, he might have sent torps to you.
Oh no. It's far away.
Good game, guys. Nice one.
We might.
You know, I've just realised for playing in the bloody Gale League, let's get us back into the Bravo.